Hello people, and for this round, we're gonna show you how to download and install BlueStacks on your PC. Now let's start off. We're already here in a browser on Google, and let's just search for BlueStacks. Now we'll have results like BlueStacks 5 or just BlueStacks. They're both the same, so we can just click on either of these. Let's just go on the top result. Now once we're here, now the difference between BlueStacks 10 and 5 is that 10 is on the cloud, so basically it's online and you don't need a very strong machine. But if your machine can handle it, let's just go for BlueStacks 5. Otherwise, let's just go and see all versions. Now there are two versions. As we mentioned, it's 10 and 5 right now, and there are also more specified versions down here, but with the default ones it's just fine. Now let's just go and take BlueStacks 5 because it is the offline version. The installer will pop up here, and let's just go and say yes. Now I already have BlueStacks installed, but basically it's gonna download a few megabytes, maybe up to 2 gig at most. You can select it. By default it would be installed in drive C. If you have to, that would be D, you can select, but it's recommended to just leave it as is. And now once we're in, just launch that. It will take a minute or so to load in, and once we're here it might prompt you to sign in, so it syncs with your Play Store. And since I'm already signed in, yeah, we can just download any app you want, and that's it. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and see you again next time.